Hi, welcome to AG Global Institute app. So, in day zero, I have explained about syllabus. Okay, syllabus, full stack Java syllabus. Okay, this all I have explained in my previous video. Okay, now in this video, day one syllabus I am going to explain now. In this video, I am going to explain day one syllabus. What is the day one syllabus here? Introduction to programming, what is Java and features of Java, and install JDK and setup. Okay, installation of JDK. JDK stands for what here? Java Development Kit, and how to set up the JDK installation procedure. Okay, this is the things we are going to discuss now. Okay, so let me explain that. Yes. So this is the day one syllabus. Okay. So first, what is the syllabus? In day one syllabus, what is the topic mentioned? Introduction to programming. Okay. So now what I mentioned here, what is Java programming or what is programming? Generally, not only Java, forget about the Java sometime. Okay. Just try to understand the subject. What is programming? Programming means what here we are going to see now. What is programming? Okay. Yeah. Yes, yes. What is programming? So, giving step-by-step instructions to a computer to perform a specific task is called programming. Giving specific instructions to giving specific step-by-step instructions to a computer to perform a specific task. Simple funda, simple thing. In general terminology, you can remember what is programming. Programming is nothing but it is a step-by-step procedure or it is a step-by-step instructions. Instructions human should give to the computer. That is nothing but is called programming. Okay. Now, just take one real-time example here. So making tea algorithm, making tea algorithm. I would like to prepare a tea. General terminology, not only me, anybody, one common man wants to prepare a tea. How he can prepare the tea? Just see. What are the instructions? What are the steps? What is the procedure to prepare a tea? We'll see now. First, we need to take the water. This is the first point. We need to take the water, cup of water. After taking some water, we need to boil that water. Okay. And boiling water, what we need to do? We need to add tea powder to that water. Okay. Boiled water. Okay. We need to add tea powder to the boiled water. After adding powder, we need to add sugar. Sugar. Okay. Sugar. And finally, the tea will be prepared and we can serve. We can have it. This is the step-by-step procedure to prepare the take water, boiled water, add tea powder, add sugar, add milk, and finally we can have it or we can serve it. Okay, that's it. That is the procedure. The same thing, the same scenario we can apply for the programming also. It's a programming is nothing but step-by-step procedure. Simple thing. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand very well about the program. Now, let me give a small Java programming. Now comes to the Java program. Okay, so what is what is the first Java program here? It is a template. Okay, so first we need to take the class. Class is a keyword. After that, we need to write the class name. It's a keyword. Class is a keyword. This is a class name is a general word. Any word can be right. I will explain in my further topics what is keyword. Just now purpose you can remember what keyword. This is class is a keyword. And one more important thing, all keyword must be right inside the lowercase. Keyword. Class is a keyword. Class is a keyword. Keyword. And all keywords must be in lowercase. In lowercase. That's it. Lowercase. Small case. Okay. That's it. Okay. Next, Immediately, this is the first step in Java by writing class name, open curly braces, and we need to start public, static, void, main. Inside the void main, we need to take one parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, string args, string argument list. This is the heart of the Java program. This is a main method. I will explain further class. Don't worry. Now, just to try to understand the syntax or a small Java program. So public static void main is a very small program, very small beginning instruction to the computer. Beginning instructions. However, we are taking first step. If I want to prepare a tea, I would like to take the cup of water or some water. Next, I need to boil. The same structure here also. Class. So taking some water. Okay. This is open curly braces and closed curly braces. Okay, this is the main template. This is the main structure. This is the main syntax to write the Java program. Here we should open the curly braces. This is called main gate. This is the main gate and this is the main gate closing. Main gate opening here, main gate close. Everything, whatever the Java we are writing, that should be inside this block only. This one. Okay. After writing public static void main, this is the heart of the Java program. Every program must have at least one main method. Which main method? Public static void main method. Okay. In that, we need to write one printing state. If I want to write something on my console, if I want to show some output, which method I should take? This structure, this syntax I should take. What is that syntax? System dot out dot println. System is a predefined class, out is an object, println is a method. Okay, this is a syntax. Java is typed programming. Typed programming. Got my point? Class test, public static void main, system dot out dot println. Hello world. So when you write this program, you will get the output like this. You will get output like this. What is the output my? What is my output here for this program? Hello world. Hello world. Here, whatever you mention, that will be displayed. For example, you have mentioned here some user different text, your some own text that will be displayed. Okay. I hope you understand what is programming. You got an idea about the programming, very basic level programming. Okay. Now, in the next topic, what is the next topic? What is Java? What is the next topic here? What is Java? Okay. So, guys, Java is a programming language. Already you know what is programming. It's a set of instructions or sequence of instructions is called programming. So what is now Java? Java is a programming language used to build applications like a website. So mobile apps and banking systems. You got my point. What is Java here? Java is a programming language which is used to build some kind of applications like websites, all websites comes under applications. Web apps, what we call, actually it is web apps we call. We can develop some kind of websites. At the same time, Java can support to build mobile apps. Okay, we can develop banking sectors. Banking is very high end. High security should be provided for the banking sectors. Okay, so the Java can involve with the developing banking sectors also, okay, etc. Not only this, many number of applications, different kind of applications can be developed with the help of Java. Okay. Now, what is the Java follows? Which rule Java follows here? Write once, run anywhere. Okay. One time purchase, lifetime access. One time purchase, lifetime access. The same time here, what the Java follows rule here, you can write only for the first time you must take the risk to write the Java program. The same code can be run anywhere without doing any kind of modification. Without having any small changes, you can run the same code anywhere. This is okay. Write once, run anywhere. Write code once, Okay, run on any system. Okay, for example, I have written this code on Windows. The same code can be run on Mac OS or Linux. Why I have to get only three OS? Most probably we have only three kind of OS. What are those? Windows. In Windows, different kind of OS might be available, like Windows 9, Windows 11, Windows 8, different kind of things. Same thing. Mac OS, Linux. We have these three operating systems only. Very famous. Of course, we might have some other kind of operating system, but these three are very famous. You can run, you can write your code on Windows, you can run your same code on Mac OS and Linux. Or if you can write your code on Mac or Linux, you can run the same code on Windows without doing small modification. I hope you understand the purpose of Java. Write once, run anywhere. Okay. Now, who developed Java here? Actually, the Java developed by Sun Microsystems in which year 1995. Now, it is owned by Oracle Corporation. Even if you want to download any kind of Java related softwares, you need to open this Oracle Corporation website. You can download all the stuff from this Oracle Corporation website. Okay, this is what I will show you. When I want to download JDK software, I will show you that. Okay. Now, two topics successfully completed. The first one, introduction to programming, and the second one, what is Java, and the third one, what are the features of Java? What are the features of Java? Now, let me explain features of Java here. Okay. So, what is the first feature of Java? Java is a platform independent. Why we are calling this platform independent? Okay, what is the meaning of platform independent? How to understand the platform independent? So, what do you mean by platform independent? It follows write a program in Windows, run on Linux or Mac OS. Okay, because of JVM Java Virtual Machine. Because of Java Virtual Machine. Okay, and already explained. That's why we are calling it a platform independent. Next, more secure, more secure, and banking sector. It can more Java is what is the second feature of Java? It's more secure. We use Java in banking. We use Java in payment systems. I will explain. Two features you get. Platform independent is one of the best feature. And what is the second feature I'm explaining? More secure. Java is more secure compared to other programming language. And what is the third one? Robust programming language. Java is what here? Robust programming language. So how we are calling Java is a robust programming language? Because it handles errors properly. It handles errors very properly, very promptly, very clearly. Perfectly it will handle the errors. That's why we are calling Java as a robust programming language. When compared to other programming like Python, .NET, whatever the program, it handles very properly, promptly. Okay, and it has exception handling skill, and it has garbage collection, exception handling. Okay, I will explain very most important topic in my upcoming videos. I will explain this exception handling. Okay, garbage collection is also one of the best feature in Java. So it will automatically unwanted space or unwanted objects automatically removes Java without your interference. Okay, no need to remove ourselves. Java itself removes the garbage, unwanted objects or unwanted memory space. This is the okay, one of the best feature available in Java. That's why we are calling it a robust programming language. You got my point. So, what is the next fourth feature here? Multi-threading. Java is what here? Multi-threading programming. Multi-threading means what here? Okay, multiple threads run multiple tasks simultaneously. Task in the sense work. Task in the sense it's a kind of work. It can perform Java can perform multiple things at a time. Multi-talented, multitasking. Java having multitasking nature. Run multiple tasks simultaneously. Okay, I will explain. This is also one of the best topic in Java. Multi-threading. Okay, multi-threading concept. Okay, see what do you mean? How to understand that multi-threading concept? it's a, for example, I'm using my WhatsApp. I can send the messages, I can receive the messages, I can download the image from the laptop. So as a human or my name is on, I can perform multiple things. Okay, what here? Multiple things at a time. I can send the messages, I can receive the messages, I can download the message. This is called what here? Multitasking. Or the same thing, the same concept can be called multi-threading in Java. I will explain. This is a very big topic. Just I'm giving oral. This is a feature available in Java. I explain, but I will give very good clarity on when we reach to the that topic. Okay. Next, high performance uses JIT compiler for faster execution. Okay, just in time, high performance when compared to other programming language. Java performs very good, testing process. Okay, it uses JIT in the sense Java just in time compiler. Okay, compiler. What is compiler? It's a translator. Or because the computer can understand only zeros and ones, but we are using human language, human understandable language. But how the coding can be decoded with the help of this compiler. This is a translator. Compiler is nothing but a translator. It uses JIT compiler, just-in-time compiler for faster execution. I will explain. Now, let me explain Java versions here. What are the Java versions available here? The first version, 1.0 version, it was released in 1996. Okay, initial, what we call it, initial release. And the 1.12, 1998, 1.13, 2000 performance improvements, swing collections added. In 1.20 version, which was released in 1998, the swing and the collections added. The swing and the collection are the other topics, additional topics added to the Java. Okay. In third version, 1.3, it was released in 2000 year, performance improvements. There is no topics added especially, but the performance increased. They released the third version, but what is the specialty of the third version? The performance improved. Next to Java 1.4, 2002, what 5, 2004, 6, 2006, 7, 2011, 8, 2014, 17. So these all are the, one thing, um, 2017, Java 8, sorry, Java 8, 2014. Java 8 was released in 2000. It is a long support system, LTS process. And one more thing, this is very standard version, very famous Java, Java version. Java 8 is still so many companies are using Java. It is very famous, long supporting. Okay, and the standard version, Lambda in Java 8, Lambda and Stream, so many things were introduced. Here only I mentioned two, three multiple features added in Java 8. And after 3 years gap, okay, Java 9 was released in 2017. Java 10. Next, one more thing, Java 17. After Java 8, Java 17 is also LTS, long-term support. Java 8 long-term support, Java 17 as a standard version. Java 20, okay, 2021 is the 2000 Java 21 version. It was released in 2023. It is LTS, latest stable version. Okay, it was released in 2023. Java 8 is important, LTS, long-term support. Java 17 is also long-term support, and Java 21. Three out of these all versions, Java 8, Java 17 and Java 21. These three are the LTS, latest stable versions. Okay. This is the third version also. Versions also completed. Now, in the next procedure, I would like to explain how to install JDK. What are the set of files required to install the JDK? And how to start the Java and way to write the Java, how to set the path and way to write the Java, we'll see in this video now. Okay, install JDK setup. And what is JDK here? What is JDK? JDK stands for here Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. It is required to write Java programs. What is the purpose of JDK here? JDK is required to write Java programs, compile programs, run programs. It is a very big pool. Okay, inside the pool, all the stuff will come here. Java development kit. It contains writing with the help of JDK, we can write the programs. With the help of JDK, we can compile the programs using Java C command. Using Java C, Java C will become along with we can run the three things: write program, compile program, run programs. I will show step by step. Okay, the JDK provided by Oracle Corporation. JDK provided by Oracle Corporation. Now, let me open the how to install JDK. First, how to open JDK software. Let me open the Google. How to open the JDK. Yeah. So, if you want to write Java program, Eclipse must be required. Either you can use Eclipse or you can use Visual Studio or you can write NetBeans or you can use EditPress or you can use IntelliJ. All these are the you know what we call editors. We can write the how we can where we can write the program by using these editors: IntelliJ, Eclipse, okay, Notepad. These are like Notepad and all. Okay. So how can you download this JDK? Go to the open your Chrome browser and just type JDK. If you want to download JDK 21, you can download. If you want to download JDK 17, you can. Or if you want to download JDK 8, these three are important. Okay. Java 8 is required. You can download, no problem. It is a long-term support. In Java 17 you can download or Java 21 you can download. So these three only enough. No need to download 1.1, 1.0, or if you want to download Java 11, Java 10, not at all required. Either you can download Java 8, it's my best suggestion, or you can download Java 17, or you can download Java 20. Let me download Java 7. This is the latest, this is a long-term support. Okay. So we can download, go to the Google Chrome, open the Google Chrome, just type JDK 17 and write. Now Java SE 17 archive downloads can come here. Okay. Now you can see like this. Java SE development kit. Java SE development kit. So you can, so here you can see all this product file description, Linux. So Linux, this Linux is separate operating system and Mac OS operating system. Okay, these are the Windows operating system, Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. So I'm using Windows and 64-bit operating system. So I can take this. And here one more thing, when you want to download, most probably try to take the bin.exe file, zip file. Okay, instead of taking zip and all, if you want to take, you can take, you can unzip it. But okay, most probably try to take Windows 64 installer and .exe file, .exp. Okay, you can download. Click on that file. It will be start. I have the Oracle account. Okay, so that's why directly it was downloading. But if you are fresher, if you want to download it, okay, then you need to create your Oracle account. It will ask you the Oracle account. So you can download from there only. These are the versions. Java development ERC, Java development 17.0.12, 17.0.11, previous version, 17.0.110, some previous one, 17.0.9. So I took here what? Latest 17th version, 17.0.12. You can download that one. Once you download, you can open that JDK software. You can open that JDK software. Okay. After downloading JDK, you need to install it. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just you need to click yes. Okay, because already I downloaded and installed the JDK software. So can click yes, then press next, 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 next. Got it? Okay. Once you download and install the JDK software, first what you need to do, you need to download the JDK software from Chrome. After downloading the Chrome, you need to install the JDK software into your system. Download is the first step. Installation is the second step. After completion of the installation step, you need to set the path now. You need to set what path? This is the first step here. Okay, if you want to download JDK, the first step you must follow download JDK. Download JDK. Which version you can download? Either 8th version or 17th version or 21st version. Any of these version you can download. Okay, these are the LTS. LTS in the sense long time or long term supporting versions. Okay. First download JDK. After downloading JDK, what you must do? Install JDK. Install JDK software. After installing JDK, okay, set path. Set path for JDK. Set path for JDK. Okay, download JDK, install JDK, set path for JDK. That's it. Download. This is the process. Now, I hope you guys might be successfully complete JDK installation. After downloading, you need to complete installation using by pressing yes, then next. After completion of that, you need to set what path for JDK. Okay, that's third step. How we can set the path? Now listen carefully. So go to the environmental variables. Edit the system environmental variables. Next, environmental variables. Here you will get user variable for PC, system variables. Now come to the system variables. Okay, in system variable, already I have created here Java. Before doing this, you guys can do first, you can check your laptops. Okay, how we can check whether the Java path successfully set or not? First, you go to the command prompt. Okay, here, just to type Java C hyphen version. Already some, when you download this Java 8 or Java 17 or Java 21st, you will get like this. It was all by default set by the system. Okay, but we need to set some files when the system default set path, some files might be missed. So you can set path. Okay, you can set path your own. You can set your own path using this process. Environment variables. Then come to system variables, home. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, next. Okay, in system variables select then new. You can write here Java hyphen home. Then variable value. How you can take how variable name Java hyphen home. In variable value, what you can write here. Variable value, what you can write here. Okay, you might be install your JDK software, right? Go to that location where you might be install your JDK software. This is your whatever the software you install from Google, it might be stored in either program files or program files 86. Okay, you can check both files. Here in my Java installed successfully in program files. You can check there also. Open that folder, Java folder. I have two versions, JDK 11 and JDK 17. So I told you to take the JDK 17th version. Open bin. Up to bin you can open. Up to bin folder you can open. Take this, copy this. Copy this address, Control C, and come to this path and paste it here. Once you paste, click the OK button. Okay, let me explain once again. If you are getting confused, I will explain once again. Once you successfully complete JDK download and installation, the next step, third step, what you must do, you need to set a path. Set a path for JDK. Otherwise, you can't write your Java programs. You can't execute your Java programs. How we can set the path? Using, go to the search box, just to type environmental variables. Environmental I'm using Windows 11, so I will get like this. Edit environment variables for your account. Okay, it will open. You will get when you open this environment variables. user variables for PC, system variables. Come to the system variables. Okay, come to the system variables. Step, I think. So, go to the search, edit environment variables. Okay, what happened is, it is system, edit the system, go to the environment variables, then come to the new, and just to take the variable name variable. Come to the where in system variables, select it. When you take this new, it will be user variable. It is not required for us, but set the path for system variables. Select the new and take Java -home. Anything you can give. Anything you can give. Not only Java, but we are using Java, right? So that's why I'm using for reference purpose. I'm using Java -home. Next, you can take here Java. How in variable name you must write Java -home. In variable value, what you must write? Go to the wherever the Java software installed, go to that location and copy this. First open that Java folder, Java 17 folder, bin folder, and take this, Control C press, okay, Control C press, and come to this environment variable just to paste it here. And press OK and OK. That's it. After doing this procedure, already I set here, Java -home. After doing this, press on that. Click on that. Again, go to the edit. Okay, you can, if you want to do anything, you can check it. Next, after doing this, PS module path. Okay, we can open that, edit. Here you can write like this. Take new, okay, okay, percentile Java -home percentile. That's it. Just to OK it. You know, you must do after setting this path Java -home. Compulsory you must do this. PS module path. You might have like direct PS only, path only. You can click there only. Then only proper Java path might be set. Otherwise, proper Java path might not be set. You will miss some files. Okay. Now, after setting this path, go to the command prompt once again. Command prompt and type here Java space -hyphen version. It will show you like this. Java. Which version I have installed here now? Which version path I set here? Java 17 0.11 2024 April 16th LTS long term support. Okay. Yes, exactly. If the Java path is not set successfully, you will get like this. This kind of. What is Java? Java, for example, Java C is not recognized as internal or external. If you are getting this command, this kind of command, your path is not set successfully. If you are getting this command, second, or if you are getting this when you type Java C, okay. If you are getting this kind of content, okay, successfully Java path set here. You can write the programs. Okay, let me write a small program. Okay, and I will show you. I will close this class. Okay, just take one notepad. Take the notepad. Okay, take the notepad. Okay, just write the class test. When curly braces, close the curly. Everything you must write inside this only. Everything you must write inside this. Open class. Class is a keyword. Class name is a user defined word. So, but in class name, first it should be follow some title case. Title case in the sense class name. In the word, first letter should be capital. Remaining all might be lower. It's not the problem. It might be your wish. But class is a keyword. I told you. This is class name. Keyword must be always inside the lowercase. Class name can be anything. Uppercase, lowercase, your wish. User defined. After writing this, which word I should write? Public. Public static void main. Public static void. Again, two curly braces. This is mandatory. This is a syntax. This is a structure. This is a template. We need to follow this rule. String A or GS open. This is the arrays arguments list. Arguments list. Open curly brace. Inside this, I should write one more statement is called system dot out dot reply. So you should write here. Welcome to anything you can write here. Welcome to my Java classes. This is. If I execute, welcome to my Java classes. System dot out dot println. After writing this, what I should write? What is my class name here? Test. What is my file name? File name edited right. Just to go to the save, just to save this file. Where I want to save this file, VVFGC. Go to the local disk D drive. Go to the local disk D drive. Save your file name. File name like I want to write test.java. Anything. File name can be anything. Test.java. So now file. What is my file name? Test.java. Test.java. Where is my file? Actually, just go to the file. Save as. Where is my file? I would like to see the file path. File path also you must remember. This is the in local disk D. I saved my file in. This is my file test.java. Documents. All files. Let me open all files. I can see now here. Yes, test.java. You can check the date also. Java source file created. Okay. May 12th, 9:10 a.m. Okay. Test file create. Java source. One Java file created successfully. Okay. Now I didn't execute. Inside the local disk D. Now open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. Go to the command prompt now. Okay. Go to the command prompt. Go to the D drive. Switch to the D drive. In D drive, just type the Java C. What is my file name? Test.java. No errors. Now this is compilation is over now. How to compile? Java C space test.java. Now let me execute the program. First, for Java, we need to compile the program every time. Then we need to execute the program. What is my class name? Test. Yes. Welcome to my Java classes. First, here remember one thing. When you are compiling the how to compile using Java C command. Java C space. Here we must write the file name. What is my file name here? Test.java. Here you can observe test.java. File name dot Java. This is a syntax. Okay. So what is my file name? Test. T capital test.java. I compiled. Once you compile, if I have any error, it will show you the error. If there is no errors, it will come like this. For compilation, we must take the file name. For execution, what I must take? Class name. What is my class name here? This test is my class. Now, class name, file name, both are same. So I'm using for compilation, I'm using test. For running the program, I'm using test. You might have the question, sir, for file name and class name, shall we take the same? Of course, we can take. But is it mandatory? Means it's not a mandatory. You can take different file name. At the same time, you can take different class name also. But only the thing you must remember what here, when you are compiling the program, give the file name. When you are executing the program or when you are running the program, give the class name. Okay. To avoid the confuse, we are using file name and the class name both are same. You got my point? I hope you understand my point. Got my point? Huh? For example, let me do some errors. I'm removing here semicolon, saving the program and compiling the program now. Okay, remember one more thing. For Java, whenever you want to do some modifications, you need to save it. Otherwise, it won't be update. Now let me compile the program. I'm getting errors now. What is the error showing here? Test.java file error semicolon expected. Says where it is expected showing some arrow mark here. System.out.println welcome to my Java classes. It's showing error. It will show you the error. one error displaying yellow. If I do one more mistake, it will show you the one more. For example, in string, I took small s. Save it and execute it. Again, compile the program. One more error display. Semicolon expect. Okay, it will show you there. Even if I put the semicolon here, if I execute it, if I put the semicolon, if I execute, I compile the program, will get throwing one more error. What is the error here? Public static void main here showing error. String cannot find a symbol. What it is showing error? Java is not able to identify what is small string. It's a predefined word, right? It's a predefined word, ready-made word, keyword. So keyword must be always fun some rules and it, you might have some questions, sir. You told previously string, keyword should be inside the lowercase, but it's a predefined class. String is a predefined class. Class name must always follow which rule? Title case. Title case. In class is also keyword, but it's not a not it's a predefined word, but it's a class. It's a class. Keyword come class. Class name should be always follows title case. Title case in the sense, yes, capital. This is a keyword. This is a Java rule. It is a tightly writing program. Again, tight tightly writing program. Okay, even if you do silly mistake also, you won't get your out. We need to follow properly rules and regulations. This is what here. Guys, I hope you understand my first class today. Okay, this is my first class, and now let me explain once again. Okay, let me just recap it fast. So first, welcome to introduction to Java program is over. What is Java? Features of Java, installation JDK setup is over. Okay, now see this content once. Okay, this is my content already. Okay, what is programming? You understand? Making T algorithm. T, what is the structure we follow to making the T? You understand? Okay, these are rules. This is my first Java program. Guys, okay, watch my video. Okay, please, guys, if you like my video, please support me to give more videos, to upload more videos. Okay, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.